Hutchinson. I'm Managing Director of Leicester's Packaging. I just think it's recognition that what myself and the team are doing is working, and it's just the recognition side that all the hard work that myself and all the team have put in is paying off. I just think it's the individual approach that Leicester's has got as a business. I feel that we still communicate human to human as a business, and we sort of take the approach with all our suppliers and customers to interact on a person by person basis rather than just a transactional nature. Number one would be my dad. He was a true businessman at heart and still is. He loves to do a deal the same as I do. And then I've grew my network around me with some really affluent businessmen and sort of been able to take some of the shortcuts that we have because they've got the experience, they've made the mistakes, and I haven't had to make those mistakes. I think automation, I think AI, I think for us, automation within our business and process has been key for scale. I love machinery, I love technology. There's an age-old saying, if you can automate, delegate or outsource, do so, and we tend to do that. At the minute, I think there's a couple of issues, one being energy. We're an energy-intensive business. I think our electricity bill alone will go up by at least £60,000 to £70,000 this year. We're taking steps to go to solar energy, renewables, and I think labour pool. I think for us, we struggle to fill certain posts within our business just because manufacturing isn't seen as sort of the go-to industry for sort of certain levels of people. My advice would be talk to as many people as you can in your sector, grow your network, listen, learn, and enter everything with an open mind.